Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to transfer money from HDFC to a foreign account. This process is actually quite simple and easy. First, we're going to log into our HDFC account, okay? And once we're logged in, what we're going to do is go directly to the fund transfer section, which we'll click on. Once we're here, we'll see that we have several options, right? Out of all these options, what we're going to do is choose this option right here. This one right here is the option we're going to use. We're going to click on go here, and immediately we'll have to fill out a series of details. This will allow us to send the money. So we fill in all these details and click continue. As you can see, it's quite simple. It's very easy. Just remember this option here and then fill in the details. And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.